Hi guys, in this video we are going to learn about how to write a Python program to convert an octal number to other types of number like decimal, binary or hexadecimal. Okay, so first we are going to get a number, octal number from the user, and we are going to work on the number and we are going to convert that into a decimal number or binary number or hexadecimal. Okay, for that I'm going to have a function. I'm defining a function with the keyword def, and the function name of the function is oct to others, and then I'm going to get the argument as n. Now print passed octal number which is being passed from the main function. What is that given octal number that I am printing? And then num string is equal to string of n. I'm just converting that. Okay, and decimal number, that is decimal number is equal to int num string comma 8. Why am I using 8 here? Because it's an octal number. Okay, now number in decimal, it is des number because we are converting that to decimal. Okay, so and then number in binary, here is a function bin, that is short form of binary, bin of des number. Okay, this is this decimal number, and then number in hexadecimal, hex of des number. That's it. We are using a very simple program to convert this octal number to another conversion. Okay, so that's all. Here by here the function gets over, and then outside the function we are assigning a variable num. Okay, and getting an octal number from the user, and I'm assigning that octal number to the variable num, and we are calling the function using the given using the variable which is being assigned. Okay, so now how this program work? First it will ask the user to enter the number. It will get that as an argument. It will pass it to the octal to others, and it will work out. Now let us run this program. So enter an octal number. So if I enter an octal number, it will convert that octal number into binary, decimal, binary, and then hexadecimal. Okay, suppose if I enter a wrong value, that is if I am not entering an octal number, suppose I'm entering this, I'll be getting a traceback error. Okay, the value error I'll be getting because it should be with the base 8, but 8 and 9 is not an octal number. Okay, octal number in the sense it should be between 0 to 7. Even 8 is not an octal number. So be careful when you are entering the input. So if you enter a wrong input, you will get value error. Fine. So this is how the program works. We'll meet you in another video with another Python program. Thank you. Happy learning.